Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, select Photos app and click on the Library section at the bottom left corner. Then click on Days at the bottom, located between months and all photos. Tap on Select button at the top right corner. And finally, choose Select buttons at the bottom left corners. Now, if you wish to exclude some of your pictures, click on the ones that you wish to keep. And to delete the rest, select this bin at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!